Three of the deadliest shotguns. I've been making videos the past months, but now we have the fire round shotgun. Shotgun only has 8 bullets, but clear and better damage. Watch and learn. If I shooting me. Double.
The shield turret is ready.
Double. My terminal. I should play in terminal shipping, but what the? It killed me. What the flip? Okay, move on the train to get here. Give me up, give me up.
It's up, team. Enemy UAV spotted.
Megan. Good, you got deployed.
UAV recon ready for deployment.
Yeah, you drop it now. Yeah. Trying to spit on me. Bounce back. Double 5 bullets. Yeah. Now you think electric? Now you think fire. Hey, I am me. My gosh, I'm going top 1. I am top 1.
Grenade!
Yeah, but your trick not gonna work on me. Yeah, I got quick kill on this, and it works. I just put on the blueprint. Yeah. Where you running at, boy? Where you running at? Shoot the train. Oh, you have a thermite. She didn't know I was right behind. I didn't know. Right behind. I was trying to finish and move him. Yeah. I got no more bullets. Turn it.
Heads up. Enemy UAV spotted.
Oh, I want to kill the enemy UAV with this. Why not kill the enemy UAV with this? Where is it? There you go. There it is. In a minute now. I don't waste my ammo for these bullets. I'm gonna not kill UAV with this. Fire breath, go! Yeah, hit him with the John Cena. First place, and back to another loadout video in Dividend Gaming. And Dividend Gaming, peace out. Thanks for watching the video. I know it's been long and not making loadout videos, but I'm making more. So see you guys.